Denise, I know you had a HyProCure procedure done.
I had
right?
done 7 months ago, and it was the best thing that happened to me. I've gone through the orthotics, the fascia release on both feet. I don't know how many pairs of orthotics, over-the-counter, custom-made, physical therapy, splints, cortisone shots, tape, and this was by far the easiest thing to have my feet feel better.
So you've gone through all those conservative treatments, including injections and orthotics, and they didn't work for your... You had a pain in your heel?
I had the pain in my
whole foot?
My whole right foot. It was unbearable to walk. Just get up in the morning, it just started hurting.
It not only foot, and I know it affected your whole body posture, knees, hips, and back, and then makes you not being able to work out, right?
Oh, exactly. I was having to wear a brace on one of my knees because my knee hurt so bad. My whole alignment was off, and I walked like I was 90 years old.
Okay, right. So I know Dr. Boris Markovich performed the procedure 7 months ago, and then how was your recovery like?
It was easy. I had it on Friday afternoon, and I was out walking around on Sunday.
Oh, that fast. That's great.
You know, I did wear the boot. I was religious. I did everything by his orders, and I think that's why I was so successful, because it was easy.
Nice. So after the procedure, after the recovery, how's your life now?
Oh, my life is so much better. I'm walking 4 times a week, 40 minutes a day, out on the trails. I've lost 25 pounds because I'm able to move and be comfortable.
Yeah.
I wish I knew about it sooner. It has been life-changing for me and my family.
Great. So last question would be, what would you tell, you know, this, because this is going to be shared for people who might be interested in, you know, or who might have similar problem as you had. What would you say to them?
I would say do it. I was really conservative. I wasn't really sure. I did a lot of reading, talking to Dr. Boris about the procedure, and I am so glad I got it done. It has been life-changing for me. I have no problems. It's got around easy this winter, not having the stiffness and the pain. Just do it. It's the best procedure I had, you know. I mean, it has helped my knees. I have really bad knees. Has helped my whole alignment. My whole outlook, I would guess, is so much better because of this surgery.
Wonderful. So thank you so much for giving us opportunity to share your experience of HyProCure procedure. And then I know Dr. Markovich will follow you up, you know, for any, you know, in the future. And I really wish you the best in your health, and everything in your family will go well.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.